And in today's video, we are going to learn about how to take out views and set cameras in Sketchup. Let's get started with how to set views and get also to how to export that same view, and you can also render that in Photoshop. The very basic thing here is a view. First, all you have to do is set the edge style and that you want. So when you start your SketchUp, your profiles will be on and your model will be seen like this. So profile basically means the lines that are used to draw a model is known as profile. First of all, what you have to do, as you can see over here, I have designed a road for a recent project right over here. So what we'll do for this model is, first we'll go to view, we'll go to edge style, and we'll turn off profiles. That is the first thing that you have to do before taking out any views. So this looks much sober and much better, and you can also do more render in this kind of view rather than with the profiles on. After this, what you have to go is that you have to go in this option name as camera. For that, then you have to turn on the parallel projection thing, which now will show a better perspective and a parallel projection of your model, whatever it is, even if it is a house or a road or anything that you have modeled in SketchUp will be shown in a parallel projection, so you can clearly see from end to end what is happening. So what we had for, first I'll show you how it was before. So if we turn off, so right now, as you can see, we can't see the parts over here, right? We can't see the parts over here on this end of the model. So what the parallel projection option help is that to see a better view of our site, and to to make the your client or your jury to understand better, right? So for that, and next is that you'll get is the standard view options. Whatever view that you want to take, let's say you want to take an ISO view, then you just have to set this option as an ISO. So ISO view will give you more projection of this, and you can take out the view as you want. Camera also has the standard view options of top, which is, of course, it will give a top view, bottom will give a bottom view, front will give a front view, and so on, back, left, right, and ISO. So for now, let's take out an ISO parallel projection view, which is right over like this. After this, what you have to go is that you have to go in the file option, then you have to select the export option. Export will also give you three major options that you can do. You can also export the whole 3D model, which is right now in your viewport. As you can see right now over here, that I have three more models. But if my viewport is set to this model, then the software will only take out this model as in export option. So what we have to go do in export, right now, for specifically this video, we are going with a 2D graphic, and the shortcut is right over here, Shift and X. After that, you have to go wherever you want to store your image or whatever it is. Then you have to select the option PNG. You can also use JPEG, but it will give you the background gray, which doesn't look good. So what you have to select is that you have to select this PNG option in the save as type. Then go in options menu. Then you have to set the pixels. If your model is landscape, then you have to set this width pixels to 999. If your model is in height pixels, then you have to set this height option as 999. But right now, as you can see, my model is in a landscape format, so I will do the width as 999. Then you have to select this both option, that is the anti allies and transparent background. So transparent background gives you an option to put it in any sheet or anywhere in your presentation wherever you want, and it will make it look better. So like this, you have to select these options, and make sure you do the width as 999, because if you don't do the width as 999, then your quality of your image will be very less, and which won't be good. Okay, so just press enter. Just select any place that you want to store. Let's say I'll go store and on desktop. It doesn't matter for now, and I'll press enter. So it will take a few, I mean, few seconds or 1 minute maximum to export the whole. So as you can see over here that the all the loading of the view has been done. So I'll minimize this file and I'll open the file that I've saved. So you can see our image right over here and see the quality of the image as we had done the pixel as 999. You can actually zoom to every asphalt piece right over here. You can zoom to this lovely couple walking over here. Just see the quality of the image. It is just amazing, and as you can see it has also taken shadows right over here. So yeah, that's it for the video, and if you found that the video was interesting, it was useful, it was helpful, then share it with someone who may need it. So thank you very much and subscribe to my channel. View as we are doing it in the very high resolution format, so it might take 1 minute. You can just skip this part and wait for me to jump on desktop and show you the final render.